I've been putting this one off for a while now, but now that school started again, I need to drive something that gets better than 12 miles to the gallon. So the problem here is this floor is wet, and it's not wet because of water. It's because the clutch master cylinder is leaking. If you climb underneath there and just follow the clutch pedal, there's a little rod. It's not in there right now, but you can kind of see all that wetness. So this is the old one. You can see here, this is where the plunger is. All that fluid leaks out and then down onto the floor. So just replacing this one. The problem here now is all of these parts suck. Everything is made in China. So expecting to get a couple years out of these, is hopeful. Buying one brand versus another brand doesn't really matter anymore. These are all made in the same warehouse by the same 8-year-old Chinese kids. This one actually looks like it has some of the old casting numbers on it. These new ones are just, made millions in production at a time. You see the poor quality of the finish there. But yeah, there's really not much to this. There's 2 bolts and a hose and the pressure line. So typically what I do is I'll come down here and open up the bleeder on the slave just to run all the fluid through it. Now that line runs up through here. There's a little curly Q, and then that's where the master lives. There's one bolt that goes towards us, and there's one bolt that goes the other way. Then the fluid comes up here. There's actually a diaphragm, a thing. There's a baffle. Yeah, you can kind of see it back there that separates the clutch fluid at a certain level from the brake, so that way if there's a leak in either, say for example this one's leaking like this, it'll only leak down to a certain spot in the brake fluid to where the light comes on, so that your brake fluid doesn't run out, or vice versa. So the tools I used for this so far, 13 and a wobbly. If you don't have something like this, you can kind of make it up. This is for the bolt on the inside where the pedal is going this way towards the car. I got a 10 flare wrench and just a 10 millimeter open for the brake line. Other than that, all you got to do is take the battery out, the battery tray, and the air sucky hose thing here. That's pretty much it. Installation is just the opposite. Just basically stick it in there. I think the hardest part is getting the rod. Kind of see, maybe we can see if we can see. Maybe not, I don't know, but that's the rod there. The hardest part is getting that into the piston on the way back in. Sometimes I'll actually go in there and pull the clip off and pull that rod out. Not necessary. Sometimes it is, but yeah. So bleeding procedure for this. Typically, what I'll do is install everything, close the bleeder down here, fill this up, and then just pump it a couple times. You'll start to see bubbles come out. Now, there's no bench bleeding procedure for this like there is for a master cylinder. I mean, you could, but there's really no point, because there's really no way to plug that line, unplug it, and then put the hose back in. So pump it until you stop seeing bubbles. It's kind of hard to see when you only got 2 sets of eyes, or 1 set of eyes. Yeah. And then basically what you do is crack the bleeder open down here until you start to see it dribble. And then once you do that, you're going to need a buddy to help you bleed here. So one of the most common oversights here, and why people don't get pressure in this is the plunger right here. You actually have to push this all the way in, because there's a spring and a piston inside here. So when you crack this bleeder open and the foot is pushed all the way down, you actually have to go in here and push this piston in all the way, then tighten the bleeder, then let it out, and then let the foot off. Otherwise, you'll never get the bubbles out of here. It's just not possible. Now, you can put a pressure bleeder on it if you had one of those, but you still have to do the squishy thing. No matter what, you have to do the squishy thing. You sit here and pump on this for a month, and you won't get firm. Yeah. So, pumpy, squishy, bleedy, twisty, profit.